So I'm here at one of my favorite places, Rockler Woodworking and Hardware, off Claremont Mesa Boulevard with my good friend Mike Durlack. Mike, glad to have you on the show today.
Good to see you again.
We're here talking to you because we have more of the make and take classes coming up. We've talked about them before. Who are they for?
For everybody. Targeted mostly for the people who really want to get into woodworking but don't have tools, don't have a lot of experience. These are perfect.
Kind of like me.
You've got some experience.
Just a tiny bit. We'll get to that in a second. These classes are running throughout April, Saturdays in April, correct? Yep,
Saturdays, April, we'll be doing them at 9:30 and 1 o'clock.
Okay, marvelous. Let's get into some of the classes and what people will be learning. And again, you don't have to have any experience to walk away with something like this, correct?
Right.
So let's talk about this sign. First of all, do you get to pick your message, or do they all have to say Rockler?
No, no, we'll be nice. No, you get to pick your message. We're trying to keep the board to a reasonable size. Yeah.
Okay. And you do it with a router?
You do.
Okay.
And our templates.
And the templates. Okay, that's great. And then the next project is the tote. Talk about the totes a little bit.
The tote's real simple. It's a real nice project. It's something almost everybody can use for something in their house. It makes a nice gift even for Father's and Mother's Day. The joinery is really, really simple. You're going to be using the scroll saw to cut out a template, you know, the side design of your choice. Really nice project.
Yeah, that seems like a great project, but an easy project, which I like. Then we get into turning, which is where I did have a little experience turning pens.
Right.
These are the same handles that people are going to be walking away with, but it's going to be a screwdriver, correct?
Yes, it'll be a screwdriver, but we're going to give you some different choices for handles.
Okay, so people can pick something more complex or a little bit more simple depending on their
what they feel comfortable with.
Okay, marvelous. Yeah. And is somebody there to work with them with the lathe? Because the lathe can be a little intimidating, but is somebody there over their shoulder helping them every step?
Oh yeah, for all of our classes, and we'll probably have a few more people present for the lathe.
And those classes are limited to like 4 people, correct?
Because the machines, right.
Okay. And the last of them, which is also another turning project, is the bowls. So somebody walks away with a bowl. These are beautiful bowls. What kind of wood are they generally made from?
Typically, we'll probably make ours from maple, but there's some different finishing choices where you could change the color, do something different if you like.
Thanks so much, Mike. If you're interested in any of these make and take classes, go to ApprovedHomePros.com/Rockler, and the link is right there to register. It's easy, and when you come down to Rockler, they're going to take such good care of you. They're wonderful folks just like Mike. Head on down today.